When does polymer clay harden? Well, polymer clays are made to harden in the oven at low temperatures, like around 275 Fahrenheit. So that's the only way your polymer is going to harden. You're not going to microwave it, you're not going to put it out in the sun, not do some other weird thing to it. You need to bake it. You need to look at the package, and for example, Sculpey Primo has directions right on the package, and bake it for the time and temperature recommended. You're not going to bake it for 20 hours at 100 degrees. You need to follow what it says on the package for your brand of clay that you're using and bake it, and then it will harden. Before you bake it, you have a polymer clay that's essentially got stuff in it that needs to cure by heat, and it will stay soft until you bake it. It may appear to harden, but it's just in need of conditioning. So a lot of people have polymer clays that have been on their shelf for 10 years and it feels hard as a rock, but until you bake it, it's not hard. So you can still chop that up, pound it with a hammer, and get it ready to use again as long as it hasn't been baked.